Meet the Yeti 500X, a lightweight portable power station designed to keep all your small to medium-sized devices and appliances charged. Designed to pack 20% more power into a 20% smaller and lighter shell than its predecessor, the 500X is perfect for longer camping trips, backyard parties, or on-the-go power in case of an emergency. At the heart of the Yeti 500X is the lithium-ion battery with a 505 watt-hour storage capacity. This will provide up to 8 charges on a laptop and up to 10 hours of runtime on portable fridges, TVs, and pellet grills. The Yeti weighs in at 12.9 pounds and is capable of powering a wide range of devices with multiple port options, including a powerful 300-watt 120-volt AC inverter, a 60-watt USB-C power delivery port. This represents the latest in fast charging technology and is more than 3 times faster than a standard USB-C port. Aside from being an output, it can also serve as an input, giving yet another way to charge your Yeti. There are 2 2.4-amp regulated USB ports, a standard regulated 18-watt USB-C port, a 6mm 12-volt port which pairs well with some of our lighting options, and a 12-volt car port with up to 10 amps of regulated output for increased runtime on 12-volt refrigerators with no additional adapters needed. To charge the Yeti, there are 2 8mm charging ports. One is on the front panel and the other can be found on the rear. The included 60-watt wall charger will recharge the Yeti in roughly 8.5 hours, but the Yeti can be charged in as little as 3 hours with 180 watts of maximum input from solar or other fast-charging power supplies. Another addition to this Yeti is an MPPT charge controller, short for Maximum Power Point Tracking. By switching from the former PWM charge controller to MPPT, users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. Check our website for recommended solar panel pairings based on your intended use, or feel free to contact our Solutions Center. Whether you need it on the job site, in the backyard, or in your go bag when a natural disaster strikes, you can count on the Yeti 500X to power your laptops, phones, camera equipment, drones, 12-volt fridges, CPAPs, and more. For more information, visit goalzero.com.
From your backyard to the mountains, Jackery has your outdoor power needs covered with the all-new Explorer 1000. One of the most powerful and compact portable power stations on the market. Weighing only 22 pounds with an easy carry handle, the lithium battery generator packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours and is much more travel-friendly than traditional field generators. Our system features 3 AC outlets, a carport, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0 technology to power your devices more efficiently. A smart LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings, while the side of the unit features a bright LED flashlight with an SOS function in case of emergency. Take the Explorer 1000 with you everywhere, and you'll never need to worry about running out of power again. Once the unit reaches low power, you can plug it into a wall outlet, car charger, generator, or better yet, try pairing it with our 100-watt solar panels to recharge on the go and completely eliminate your carbon footprint. We've equipped the unit with an MPPT solar charge controller to offer up to a 20% increase in charging efficiency. Set up the ultimate campsite and power your lights, coffee machines, coolers, and even your CPAP machine, ensuring a good night's sleep in the tent. And when the adventure takes you to the backyard, be the life of the party, bringing you and your friends quiet, clean energy while powering multiple devices simultaneously. The unit meets the power supply needs of more high-power electrical devices, so in the event of a power outage, you can rest easy knowing that your Explorer 1000 can serve as a backup generator to keep your essential appliances up and running. Whether you're going camping, road tripping, or just need an emergency power solution, the Jackery Explorer 1000 has your outdoor power needs covered.
This is Defense Titan, a portable rechargeable battery that provides long-lasting power while camping, working, powering your adventures, and even during emergencies. Titan can power your needs for days or weeks. Because it doesn't require any gas or fuel to run, it's eco-friendly, silent, and safe to use anywhere you might need power, even indoors. We use LG batteries, so your Titan is powered reliably. Be prepared for the unexpected, at home or on the road. Defense Titan is a lifesaver in emergency situations. We call it Titan for a reason. Titan comes with a 12V car port, a USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and an AC outlet. Defense Titan charges your laptop up to 5 times, a smartphone over 20 times. It even powers a lantern light for 4 nights of use. Titan is equipped with 224 watt-hours of capacity, which easily powers your mobile devices, CPAPs, drones, GoPros, cameras, tablets, and small appliances for days or weeks. Made with an aluminum body and rubberized protection on all 4 corners, Titan is compact, powerful, and portable. Recharging your Titan is super easy. Just plug it in like any other appliance and it will charge right up. You can recharge with the included wall adapter, a USB-C, from your car, or even a solar panel. Rely on Titan to power your needs. With Titan, you'll never be without power again, so you can keep doing what you love the most.
Exploring nature has always been an instinct for human beings, and we all need power on our way to adventures. To bring power wherever you go and whenever you go, Suaoki S270 was created. It has a built-in modified sine wave inverter that brings you 100 watts AC with peak 150 watt output, equipped with 4 DC ports with up to 180 watts power. It can be charged with solar panels, 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and AC outlet through the input port, and can be used as an emergency light. It has 4 USB ports for your mobile devices, and one of them features QC 3.0 fast charging technology. Take S270 with you and no longer need to worry about running out of power. It could even be a lifesaver during disastrous emergency. It's got everything covered for you by providing all the power you need for your family trip. Click the battery indicator button on the top. It will show you how much power it has with cool blue lights. Forget to charge it before going out? Don't worry, it can be charged with your 12-volt cigarette lighter socket while you're driving. Thanks to its DC to MC4 connector, you can even use solar panels to charge it. A 12-volt DC output port plus a special cigarette lighter adapter. You can use it just like your car's cigarette lighter socket when your car's not around. Drone, camera, smartphone, car vacuum, air purifier can all be powered by S270. When the night comes, S270 can even be more useful. Last but not least, S270 features 100 watt AC output. It's like bringing your wall outlet anywhere you go. Despite its size, S270 is integrated with an MPPT solar input chip, a 15 amperes DC output, battery management system, a 150 watt rechargeable battery, and 150 watt max AC output. With powerful technologies in an incredible compact enclosure, S270 will keep your life powered up.